Blue 42, hi! Hey everyone, Fahad Atamadi, president of SVG Solar, inviting all of you to this year's 2022 Win the Storm Conference in Dallas, Texas on February 14th through the 16th. It's Super Bowl weekend, and we're bringing in Hall of Fame football coach Jimmy Johnson and Heisman Trophy winner and former pro football player Herschel Walker. And if this couldn't get any better, we've got the Dallas Cowboy cheerleaders performing to AC/DC's Thunderstruck. Over the past 8 months, we've signed over 250 dealers nationwide. We've sold over $10 million in residential contracts and over $46 million in commercial contracts. Come check out our awesome solar panel featuring some of the biggest names in the solar industry, with executives from Solo, from Cirque, from Goodly, Titan, K2, and even more, just to name a few. In addition, we are launching new financing programs that are going to be able to help you close more deals at that kitchen table. Come join the 7,000 plus roofing contractor, GC, fire and water restoration, solar companies, and key managers, plus top producers from all across America. The $200 billion roofing and solar industries are finally coming together under one roof. WTS is much more than any other conference, seminar, or trade show. It's an experience to build industry relationships, networks, and contacts that'll last you a lifetime. Get your tickets now, and let's make some big plays in 2022.